Have you ever felt like your relationship is stuck? Same routines, same arguments, same tired silence. You still love each other, but something just feels off, like the spark has slipped onto autopilot, or the pilot went out altogether. But here's the good news. The rut may be real, doesn't have to be permanent. Add imagination. It might just be the spark that brings things back to life. Imagination isn't just for the dreamers. It's for anyone who wants to grow love that lasts. When you start to imagine new possibilities in your relationship, you make space for hope, for laughter, for reconnection. Try asking questions like this. What happens if we swapped roles for a day? Or what if we pretended like we were just dating again? What if we planned something fun, just because? Even small shifts can wake up huge feelings. Need some ideas? Reimagine just one routine, or create a future memory together. Name the season you're in and picture what the next chapter could be. Imagination doesn't mean pretending everything is perfect. It means believing things can get better and choosing to love with creativity, play, and vision, just like you did when you first started. Whether it's with a partner, a parent, a child, or a lifelong friend. Making imagination a habit, that's the invisible thread that can connect our hearts. It shapes the way we love, the way we heal, and the way we stay together. Because love isn't just something we feel, it's something we imagine and create over and over again. Because sometimes the only way forward is to imagine it first. This is Mike Sansone with Reaching Hearts, and I'm on a mission to inspire a world where love isn't just a feeling, it's a daily practice. Thank you for subscribing, and if you found some value in this one, show me by clicking on the like button and leaving a comment. And if you want to explore more topics like this, be sure to check out other videos on my channel. Let's strengthen our love, and let's keep building better love muscles. We'll see you in the next video.